To create an OCO order in Thinkorswim, start by understanding what an OCO order is. OCO stands for one cancels the other, which means that when one order is executed, the other order is automatically cancelled. This type of order is useful for traders who want to set a profit target and a stop loss at the same time. First, log into your Thinkorswim account and navigate to the Trade tab. Select the stock or option you want to trade and choose the Buy or Sell button. In the Order window, select the order type as OCO. You will see two separate order legs. The first leg is for the profit target and the second leg is for the stop loss. For the first leg, enter the number of shares you want to trade and set the limit price at which you want to take profit. For the second leg, enter the same number of shares and set the stop price at which you want to stop the loss. Make sure the quantities and symbols are the same for both legs. You can also add additional conditions to your OCO order, such as setting a specific time in force or attaching an order to a specific chart. Once you have set up both legs of the OCO order, review your order to make sure everything is correct. After confirming your order, Thinkorswim will send the OCO order to the exchange, where it will be executed according to your specifications. When one leg of the order is executed, the other leg will be automatically cancelled. It is essential to use OCO orders judiciously and as part of a well-thought-out trading strategy. Make sure you understand the risks and rewards associated with trading and use proper risk management techniques to minimize your losses. By following these steps, you can create an OCO order in Thinkorswim and take your trading to the next level. Remember to always review your orders carefully before submitting them and stay informed about market conditions to make the most of your trades.